I'm bored. And I've been bored for a little while. I needed to switch up the pace, take a little breather, and do something I always wanted to do. I've been wanting to do this vacation for a little while now. And I always wondered, when would I do it? Who would I do it with? How would I execute it? And where do we start from here? What's up? It's day one. We just woke up in our hotel room. We're staying at a 5-star hotel and it's really nice. And we get a little view of the Tokyo Tower, which is pretty neat. If I can focus on that. Yeah, we're about to go find a 7-Eleven and really see what's going on. If you have any thoughts on that.
Yo, what up, vlog? This is day one officially of being in Tokyo. We've been up since like 3 in the morning here, their time. So, we up. Gotta get our body acclimated. But like Jameson said, we about to hit that 7-Eleven. About to get some noodles or something, or whatever they got over there. But I hear it's fire. So we about to check it out. About to be a good day. About to go to the fashion district. Shibuya Crossing is about to be packed.
See, here's the thing about me versus Malachi. Malachi is a pure optimist. He has God on his side. I mean, we both are Christian, but that's besides the point. See, Malachi was all excited because he was watching the Fast and Furious movies and seeing how Shibuya Crossing activated and how the nightlife was. And for me, I wasn't expecting anything, So sitting there and expecting some kind of movie, it just didn't feel realistic to me, at least not yet. But time went on. So right now we are looking for... what are we looking for? A 7-Eleven, right? Yes. We're going through the streets of Japan. It's a really big city, and we're still trying to navigate maps. We just landed yesterday, so it's all fairly new to us. And it looks like we just found it. It's right across the street. Upon arrival at 7-Eleven, I came across all these gizmos and gadgets that did not exist in the States, and I had to work my way around them because it was my first time using them. A lot of these inventions were grounding up fresh fruits and vegetables, and they had so many options of teas and full course meals. It was something that was completely different from the States. And in all honesty, it was really interesting to see.
Could you record me doing this? Yeah.
What is that? A cake?
It's a French toast.
What? They have French toast here?
Wait, hold on. Let me make sure I get this on here.
Okay, so this is the fresh fruit at 7-Eleven. I wanted to try that out really badly. This is me doing that. I don't really know how it works. It seems pretty simple. And I guess I just throw it into the blender like that.
Yeah.
And then start. It should just, mix it up for me. So. The fact that fresh fruits are available like that and at such a cheap price and at a convenience store like 7-Eleven is not really seen in America like that. And my friend Malachi, as you can see, he picked up French toast and there's just so many goods. There's fish back there. There's so many fresh foods and vegetables and stuff that it's pretty nice. Oh, this guy, I'm in his way. Okay, sorry. I think so, right?
I'm pretty sure I can. I just don't know how to.
Still blending right now.
Get that on here.
Oh yeah, Google Translate the entire page.
Sweet.
Yeah, that came in handy. And now my green juice is pretty much done. I just open it up and boom, it's all set for me to just enjoy. And that was like what, $2 or $3 for something in America that would be like $6 or $7. So, oh, chef's up. So far, things are looking pretty cool here. It's only been day one, and we've got to see the city, got to see 7-Eleven for the first time and how different it was. And I'm really starting to become quite fond of this place. Now, I'm still kind of skeptical on seeing this movie part, but I guess I'm just going to have to keep experiencing and wait to see what's next.